So we are at week 11, assignment 1. What we will be doing in assignment 1 is we are going to be creating business cards. Now, if you go to the actual assignment, it tells you that it's basically a business card is a traditional way of people sharing information about their companies and what they do. And then it gave them something to hold on to so that they could get in touch with them. It was small and it was easy to carry around, and that's what a business card is. Now, the cool thing about business cards is even today, if you see right here, it says sales increase by 2.5% for every 2,000 cards that get passed out. I know that seems like a lot, but 2.5% is a really big number at the end of the year. So, what we're going to do this week is you're going to make a business card. Now, I did not do this tutorial. We are trying to see how you guys do with another person presenting the information. She does talk a little fast, but she seems to be very thorough. And if you just slow down the video, or if you just stop and go back, I definitely recommend putting on the CC captions so all the words come up, but it's just another way. I throw some of these in because you can't get used to the same style all the time because everybody has a different style of teaching. So you're going to follow this tutorial. She makes it about the intense bike and trail. That's what she makes it about. Here is the info that she uses on here, okay? And then if you look down here, here are the graphics that are used in here that you can take and put in there. You are using a template. A template is something that is pre-done in Word or in other programs, but it is pre-done so you can open it up and change it, do multiple versions of it, and the basic fundamentals of the business card template are there. So you're going to name it Q2A5 if you are following my naming conventions. You'll submit it in assignment 1, and you do need to put it into OneDrive. Like I said, you can do it this week or you can do it the week that I tell you to do it. If you have any questions, please message me or let me know, and I will help you through it.